Hi guys, it's Kristin with APO Creations, and I am doing, I'm just going to call them my Lula cats. So I got some pigments from Ecopoxy. I ordered them with something else. Anyway, so it's metallic color pigment. This one is Fire Truck. And this is what's left of the container after it sat in Bahrain for 3 months, 4 months, who knows. Anyway, this one is called Reef. And, well, this one's just as bad. This one's called Sangria. So, I put them in different little containers, and now I am going to pour them in some resin, but I need to get some other stir sticks. Oh, so I'm going to start with the Fire Truck. I'm going to put a little bit in here. Now for the Sangria, it's really very pretty, brownish Merlot kind of color. And I'm gonna wait on the Reef because I wanna pour this resin in here first. Making a mess. And I don't know, I can't remember if she said how much they hold, but they don't look very big. Oh, look at that purple. Oh, that color is so pretty. And once I'm done mixing all of this in, I'm going to put it through my Let's Resin debubbler. Such a beautiful color. Oop, got a piece of hair. Imagine that. Shed like an alpaca, so it's no surprise. Ooh, let me get a paper towel. All right, I'll be back. Okay. Actually,
sunlight dancing through the window pane, golden hours calling out my name. Scissors, thread, and jars of paint. Every little project feels the same. A little sweat, a little sparkle, a little magic in my hands. Even when the day's on fire, I'm building dreams instead of plans. The fan keeps humming slow and sweet. Summer's got me melting in my seat, but every stitch and every line turns this blazing day into something bright. We're crafting in the summer heat, barefoot rhythm, steady beat, glue and glitter, colors shine, making memories one design at a time. When the sun burns high above, we answer back with heart and love. From morning light to evening's glow, we'll make something beautiful before we go. Seashells, ribbons, woven strings, simple little homemade things. Paintbrush tap into the tune of lazy afternoons in June. Laughter echoes lemonade, every masterpiece is handmade. The hottest days can still inspire a world of color we create. Let the sun shine, warm the room, flowers bloom and fabrics bloom. Every mark and every seam brings another piece of the dream. We're crafting in the summer heat, hands alive with every beat. Every cut and every fold turns the ordinary into gold. Though the days as warm as flame, we'll keep creating just the same. With every project, heart and smile, summer lasts a little while.
Okay, let's demold my soap dish first. And I know I'm gonna have an edge to sand, but oh, I got a bubble right there. Yeah, I got a bunch of bubbles. But that is so cool. All right, well, I probably should have sprayed that with alcohol too. Okay, on to the cats. And because I overfilled them, it's almost flush with, ooh, pretty kitty. Urgh. That one's so cool. I love when I use the pearlescent micas. Ooh, I like that color. All right, well, I will put some glamour shots at the end. Do me a favor and hit the thumbs up. Leave a comment. I'd really appreciate it. This video is part of the Friendship Express train, hosted by Tina at Pours Resin with Love, Sally at All Aboard Resin Creations, and Susie at Serendipity Creations. Be sure to check out the playlist in my description below.